I've shared so many great videos with you guys about my love for Monday swimwear. This is such a classy print. It's lined. You're not gonna get any sort of like nipple coming through. It's such a great combo to wear. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, AttorneyBrooke. I wanted to hop on and show you guys one of my more recent purchases, and lo and behold, it is by Monday Swimwear. You know, I can't resist, and I've shared so many great videos with you guys about my love for Monday Swimwear. So recently, Monday Swimwear throughout the summertime running some of their sales. They don't go on sale a whole lot, or sometimes it's just specific like parts of their collections that they'll run sales on, but what have you. A couple times throughout the year they'll actually run sales where I think is the best time to really snag stuff. If you're not in like dire need of a swimsuit at that moment, then I would wait for their sales, because it's just, you know, we love a sale. So I'll show you guys what I snagged. It is, or it's this print. It is, I'm not sure what the print is called, but it's this beautiful tropical print. I'll show you guys up close. Has the florals, like the palm leaf greenery. And I am typically not one to go for a print with swimsuits. I do have a couple of like animal print, like leopard style. But other than that, I tend to gravitate towards solid colors. This is my personal preference, my personal style. But I just thought, this is such a classy print, and this cut is so pretty. It's a one piece. It is the Aruba one piece in the peach floral print. So it's the Aruba style. I've shared with you guys my two piece, so the top, that's the Aruba top, and it's very similar to this paneling type of sleeve here. So it's gonna go on and it sits direct, it's a deep cut, and then it sits directly over the shoulders like this. One thing to note about the Aruba style is that it's not adjustable, but I have found that it fits great. For me personally, it's flattering. I do think if you are smaller chested, that this is a good style. You're gonna get enough coverage, and it's not gonna be, to me, if you do the proper sizing, it's not gonna feel gapey or anything. It really does just hold flush to your chest, which I like. And then all the way up to the larger busted individuals, I do think this is very, very flattering, and you still get support through the straps because they are thick and it is great quality material. So it's lined. You're not gonna get any sort of like nipple coming through, anything like that. I haven't found that with these materials. It's not padded, but I have found that like this kind of like ruching, you see like this overlapping of the material just gives it that extra support, and I think it's really flattering. And then the one piece, what I really love about the Monday Swimwear one pieces is that they are quality material, and with the proper sizing, you're gonna get that good like core control and like smoothing that I feel like we all love without feeling like restricting or anything like that. And also, again, like the one pieces and all the Monday Swimwear, like just hold true to the fit once the swimsuit is wet. If you're in a pool, a beach, whatever, you're not gonna get out and like your bottoms are like falling off. So I really like it. The back end of this Aruba is, I would say, full, like moderate to full coverage for sure. I would say curvier gals, you're gonna have a little bit of the cheeks showing through, and then I would say smaller cheeks, you're gonna get more of that full coverage for sure. But yeah, this isn't overly high cut, like up the thigh and that hip. So for those that don't love that, like what's it, like Baywatch, like Pamela, is it Pamela Anderson? I think the like super high cut like red swimsuit. It's not that severe, but it is a little bit high cut. It's not just going straight across the hips either. You do have a little bit of that elevation there on the hips, so it's gonna give that elongated leg, which I really like. I also really liked, I said the print, but the color is so pretty. It's like this blushy color. So not like a cream, but like a true like peachy warm undertone to this neutral, and it's just so pretty. And then I got the matching sarong to go with it. And I just thought, why not try to snag it? It's a one size fits all. It's the Saint-Tropez sarong, and that same blush floral print. And this really is just a large piece, and this is still folded in half, a large piece of material. And like, I just think a sarong, like poolside, beachside, whatever, like if you're in your one piece, you can throw your sarong on, you can hop in and out of like the beachy bars or whatever, and it is just so cute. There's like 68 million different ways you could style a sarong, so I thought, like, why not? Such a great combo to wear around for a good like summery day. If you're gonna be out by the water, throw on some sandals, beach hat, and you're good to go. And then of course, you always get the trusty storage envelope that the swimwear is shipped in. And then, like I said, I love to repurpose these for toiletries, throwing it in a beach bag for sunscreens, things like that. Has always done me a lot of favors. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on and show y'all. I'm actually heading to Mexico this week for a Labor Day weekend getaway with some of my best friends, and I'm excited to like squeeze in this last bit of summertime and try on some of these new swimsuits I've been sharing with you guys and give them a go. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the end of summer, looking forward to fall time and a new season and the new chapter of life and whatever that fresh air might bring you guys. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my content coming out your way. And as always, I greatly appreciate the support and you guys tuning in. Bye.